Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Zach, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm super excited because today I'm unboxing my IPSY Glam Bag January edition. And it comes with 5 totally cool products that are customized to you. Try it out starting at $12 a month. You can get your favorite products sent straight to your door. And what I love is that not everyone has the same combination because you take the beauty IQ quiz when you become an IPSter or when you become initiated in the IPSY community. You take a quiz which, they ask stuff like what's your skin tone, what's your hair type, skin texture, and this helps really nail down all the aspects that make you to ensure that what you're getting in your glam bag is not what anyone else is getting. It's just the perfect thing for you. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, this is the moment of truth. First of all, love the marble design on here. I think it's really stunning how they did this, and they're really inspiring people everywhere to not only discover themselves, but to also have self-care as a ritual, because we're always going on and focusing on everyone else throughout the day, but we never really have that time where we should have that time to take back to ourselves and to rewind and to really focus on your intentions. So I'm going to unzip my IPSY bag this month, and I just wanted to go over the products that I received. So the first product that I have is the Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. Now I do have the full size version of this product, and this is going to gently remove your makeup and extra oil and debris that you may have accumulated throughout the day. So it says gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes. So this is soap and sulfate free, and this is meant for all skin types. So it has soy milk, white tea, and blue lotus. So super anti-inflammatory, super plumping and sculpting. So the next product in my IPSY Glam Bag is the Hemp's Original Herbal Body Moisturizer. I've heard that this stuff works wonders. I haven't tried it personally, but I do know that every kid does have it at school. So definitely great reviews. It's an original herbal body moisturizer, and it's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. And I think we should just do a little smell test. So it smells great. It really does. It smells awesome. I love it. I'm very excited to use this. So this is definitely gonna be like, after you get out of the shower and you just like to lather yourself all up before you go to bed and my cream, this is probably gonna be my new go-to. So the next product I have in my glam bag is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner. For those of you who don't know, that's like perfect eyes in Spanish, and I really love this liquid eyeliner. This is in shade Night, and it really draws a nice, thin, precise line. Blackest black, noir, and it does dry down to a matte finish as I am swatching this on my hand, and the formula has dried. It's not going to be a vinyl texture, so the light isn't going to reflect off of it. It does absorb the light. So if you're into matte liquid liner and super sharp, precise lines, first of all, subscribe to a glam bag right now, because you're definitely missing out on getting an assortment of products that you may not know you would love. There's so many amazing products out there in the makeup industry that we may not know about, but could be at our doorstep in a couple of minutes. So definitely check out IPSY and discover yourself when you get a second. Loving Araceli liquid eyeliner, so definitely check it out. So for product number 4, today we have the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door Mascara, and I've been reading a ton of reviews about this on Instagram and seeing this all over my feed, and I actually had to try it out for myself, so I was just really happy that I can get a refill, and especially a travel size for me to bring it on when I'm jet setting. Always good to touch up the lashes. And this is a really black mascara. So it's definitely not going to be super clumpy, separates the lashes, it definitely lifts and curls the lashes as well, and the wand is not super thin or super thick, so it's not going to be super clumpy, or it's not going to apply too little product, which is definitely what you want in a mascara, and I'm definitely looking forward to using more of this. Thank you so much, Brooklyn, Bailey, and IPSY. And lastly, for product number 5, we have the Beauty for Real lip gloss, and this is in shade Nudist, and I love. It's perfect right in the middle, and it's a natural peach shade. It's a flat nude, so that means there's no glitter in it. And check it out, I got this one in my January Glam Bag from IPSY. Alright, so that is the whole completed look for this month's IPSY Glam Bag. Thank you so much for joining me on this month's edition, and I still can't get over how cute the details are. I mean, they really put so much effort into how intricate the details are, and I really hope that you can check out and discover yourself with IPSY, and I hope to see you next time. Be sure to check me out at Dishinger and check us out at formulazcosmetics.com. See you next time. Bye!